Hello everyone. Today we are going to how to download SAP support files and database. What are the required or the files from SAP Marketplace? How to we check and download it? Just we can see. Now you can log in your SAP login pad. SAP for me. Then we will go to select service and support and come to down. You can see download software. You can click on download software. It will show you installation upgrade, support and patches, and databases. Installation upgrade, my favorite products by alphabet index, by category, address directories and reference data, SAP Business One, guided beta. You can select by alphabetical index. Click here alphabetical index, all in one list from A to Z. What you want you can select from here by using alphabet. Just say I'm going to select like SAP Fury. Just select F and it shows SAP Fury. It's showing what is the from F letters, how many product we have available from F letters. SAP Fury for S4 Hana. Just I am selected it. Download from which how many versions we are available: 2020, 2021, 2022 and 2023. Okay, just I am selected 2023. Installation. Here showing the file size. Just click here and go to here content info. You can see the content info. What are the details we have to get from here? What will we should prerequisites and post requisites. The file will be available for download. After reading this file, you can download this file. Just and double click, it will process requested and going to download. Just start a download. Yes, the file was downloaded. Now same you have to go back and same service and support and download software. By alphabet. Now I am going to download SAP HANA database. Select H and here showing see HANA blockchain adapter, HANA GWork, HANA renewal, S4 HANA. Like this, how many we have? Just search, check it. We require for S4 HANA database. So we have to select S4 HANA platform edition. Then we will get see S4 HANA platform edition. Just I am selected it S4 HANA platform edition 2.0. So we don't have available in 1.0. We have available in only 2.0. Just you can select it HANA 2.0 and go to installation. And here showing some options: Access Advanced Collection, HANA Platform Edition 2.0, SPS 08, revision 83, and see here Access Advanced Collection, revision 27, S4 HANA Platform Edition SPS 07, revision 79.02. You see here S4 HANA Platform Edition 2.0, SPS 08, revision 81. See here the 81 and 83. 81 release on December 11th and 83 revision release on 9th April. So see here S4 HANA 2.0 SPS 05 revision 59. When it was released 16th September 2024. So like this we are available, and which edition you want to download it, you can download. Just double click on it It's showing, yes, 14.45 GB is available. Just start a download. It will go to download automatically. Then along with you can download Access Advanced Collections. Okay, thank you for watching. You know the how to download the from SAP Marketplace. What are the requirement files you have to download? Just see in once again. If you want to download any support package, just go to Download Center. See support packages from alphabetic. Everything you will get here from alphabetic. You want to update kernel, just select K. You will get a kernel 64-bit and unibit and Unicode bit. Just Unicode, select it. 722, 722, 753, 754. Just see here. 793 Unicode bit. You can select it 793 Unicode. So you can select your operating system. Windows or Linux, EXI. Just I am selecting Windows. Windows database. Which database you are using? SAP HANA database. Or otherwise Linux Oracle am I using? Just select it. Just see here. Or 279 EXDB. Whatever you will get in all the details here. DB dependent and DB independent. Both you are getting here. Okay. Then you can select a DB independent. It will update here DB independent. DB independent. What are the files we have? See here. Lot of files we have. How many files we require? You can select for that file. You can always download from latest file. This is a disk plus work package. This is SAR file. You can download it. GUI, SAP GUI, HTML patch file, R3 transfer. When it was changed, 22nd July 2025. SAP license, TP, SAP FTP. All these files you can get here from SAP support. Okay, thank you for watching.